Hey, this is Mr. Jarvis. We're working on factor tree for prime factorization. We're also worked on factor pairs today. So we're going to take a look at this, and this one's laid out pretty nicely. So we're looking for it to use prime factorization of 24. So I have to say, they do it partially for you. So I just have to say like 6. Okay, sorry about that. Doesn't look good. 6 times 4 is 24. So are there prime numbers that I can't find a factor pair other than multiplying it by itself for a 6? So it's 2 times 3. Let me write a better 3. I'm writing with my finger, so it's kind of weird. 3 and 2 times 2. So 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 is 24. Oh, so that would be number 4. Now, this should be review for everybody. And looks like I started on number 4, but I skipped number 2. So for 42, I came up with 3 times 42. And I always had to bring this down, and then I can break 14 down further to 7 times 2. So the prime factorization of 42 is 7 times 2 times 3. Okay. And so let's take a look at the third one. And the secret word of the day is responsibility. Okay, so to get breakdown, I break this down. They did the 10. What times 10 is 30? 3 times 10 is 30, and I can break. Let me do that again. 3 times 10. This is kind of what we're looking for, times 30. But I can break this down. This is what we call a composite number. There's a factor pair. I want to write this as a string of prime numbers, and there's a factor pair that can make 10, and that would be 5. So 5 is a prime number. So 3 times 5 times 2. And I'm going to ask the kids to write in the times for that. So I went out of order. So let's just go back in order, and we'll go back to page 1. For 42, it's 7 times 2 times 3. And for number 4, it's 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. And I'll write the times in there. And for number 3, it's 3 times 5 times 2. So good luck with that homework. It's review. And for some of you are like, hey, I already know how to do this. And some of the kids are saying, I kind of know how to do it, but I forgot. And it's all good. So we're just doing some review. And prime factorization is really important when you get into algebra. So I think in class, we worked on some more challenging numbers, but and we also worked on factor pairs. So I think this is still an important skill to work on. So thank you. And probably many of you got this. And if you didn't, there was some help for you. Hope it helped.